All right, now let's take a look at some comparing some fractions. Some of these you may get like that. Some of these you may have to think a little bit. That's okay. I'm just going to model them with you as you go. You can always pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever you need for this, okay? So first one, we have 7/8 versus 9/8. And the question is, which one is bigger or smaller? I would do bigger because that's how I think. So if you don't know, you could say, okay, I have a candy bar. Well, I have two candy bars. They're both the same size. This first one is broken down into 8 pieces. And I really love candy bars. The next one is also broken down into 8 pieces. Now, out of this 8 piece candy bars, I give you a choice. You can either have 7 of those 8 pieces, or you could have 9 of those 8 pieces. If you really liked candy bars, which one would you pick? Well, you'd pick this one because then you have to break, you'd have a whole candy bar plus a little bit left over. So, because of that, 9/8 is much, much bigger than 7/8. So that's the one you'd pick. Okay, what if I was comparing these two fractions? 2/5 versus 1/5. What do you think? Well, if I have a 5 piece candy, two 5 piece candy bars, and I offer you a choice of 2 of those pieces or one of those pieces, you'll take two. So 2/5 is greater than 1/5. Okay. But what about this? This is trickier. Now 3/8 and 3/4. Man, I don't know what to do. So here's what you do. What you do is you say, okay, I have 3/8, and for a different color, I have 3/4. So I have a candy bar that's cut into 8 pieces. And I have an identical candy bar that is cut into just 4 pieces. I say, hey, you, my best friend, you can have a choice. You could either take 3 pieces from that bar that's 8 pieces, or you could take 3 pieces from the bar that's the exact same size, but that's cut into 4 pieces. Well, I think you would probably choose this one because that's more candy. So 3/8 is less than 3/4, and you would pick that. Okay, one more. 7/10 versus 7/8. Let's see. So I have one bar that's cut into 10 pieces, and another bar that's cut, same size, that's cut into 8 pieces. But in both, I offer you the same piece numbers. I offer you 7 of these or 7 of these. What are you going to pick? Well, yeah, I think you'd pick 7/8 because even though this has more pieces in the bar, each piece has to be smaller. So when I offer you the same amount, you'd actually get less if you chose 7/10. So because of that, 7/10 is less than 7/8.